Hey everyone, the Honor Pad V9 is a significant addition to Honor's lineup of Android tablets, blending advanced performance with premium features. Its standout feature is the expansive 11.5-inch IPS LCD display, boasting a high resolution of 2800 by 1840 pixels and an ultra-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. The display ensures a vivid and fluid visual experience, suitable for entertainment, productivity, and creative tasks. Additionally, the tablet supports stylus input through the Magic Pencil 3, available for separate purchase, catering to artists and professionals who require precision in their work. Powering the device is the Dimensity 8350 processor, a chipset capable of handling multitasking, gaming, and media consumption with ease. The Honor Pad V9 offers various configurations, ranging from 8 to 12 gigs of RAM, and storage options of 128, 256, or 512 gigs. These specifications make it versatile, catering to users with different storage and performance needs. Audio performance is another highlight of Honor Pad V9. Equipped with 8-channel speaker system, tablet supports DTS:X, high-res audio, and spatial audio technologies, delivering an immersive soundscape for movies, music, and gaming. Camera setup includes a 13-megapixel main sensor and an 8-megapixel front-facing camera, sufficient for casual photography, video calls, and online meetings. The device is powered by a substantial 10,100 mAh battery, ensuring extended usage. Complementing this is the support for 66-watt fast charging, which minimizes downtime by quickly replenishing the battery. The tablet runs on Magic OS 9.0, Honor's custom operating system based on Android 15, offering a modern and user-friendly interface. Aesthetically, the Honor Pad V9 is available in 3 colors: gray, white, and purple, appealing to a broad audience. The pricing is competitive, with the entry-level 8 and 128 gigs model starting at approximately $288 and the high-end 12 and 512 gigs variant priced at around $384. Pre-orders are already underway, and deliveries are set to commence on December 24th. The Honor Pad V9 is a compelling choice for users seeking a high-performance tablet with a stunning display, robust audio capabilities, and versatile features. Its competitive pricing and advanced specifications position it as a strong contender in the tablet market, appealing to both casual and professional users. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.